How to fix cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our commerce policy. So, in case if you receive a notification stating that you cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our commerce policy, it means that WhatsApp has detected that your account or business activities are not complying with your commerce policy. So, in this video, I will show you how you can address this issue. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you will get the solution for this issue at the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing you have to do in order to fix this issue or the violation is you need to review WhatsApp commerce policy. You can simply go through the WhatsApp commerce policy and understand the specific rules and regulation you might have violated. You need to ensure that your business activities, product and services comply with those guidelines listed on WhatsApp commerce policy. Then once you have done that, you have to determine which part of your case or business activity have led to the violation. And then once you have detected that, you need to contact the WhatsApp support. For that, you can simply tap on the support button, or you can also open the browser of your preference and search for WhatsApp contact support team. For that, let's open the browser. So on the web address bar, you need to tap on it and you need to search for WhatsApp support. Or you can also search for contact WhatsApp, and then you will get access to this contact WhatsApp page where you need to enter your phone number, email address, confirm your email address, and you need to select the device that you have been using your WhatsApp on. It might be Android, iPhone, web and desktop, kiosk, or other. And then on this description box, you have to enter your message below. You need to enter the issue that you are not able to use WhatsApp as it is violating the commerce policy, and ask for help to WhatsApp support team. So by writing the message, you can tap on the next step and go through the on-screen prompts, and after that you need to send the issue or the issues message to the WhatsApp team, and then it will help you to fix the issue within 24 hours or 44 hours, and then your issue will be definitely fixed. So this is the way you will do in order to fix the cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating the commerce policy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Thanks and see you in the next video.